Dear students, so in today's class we are discussing the very important naming reaction from amine topic, that is a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Okay students, so by using the Gabriel phthalimide we have to prepare the primary amine. Okay, so in this reaction first of all we take the phthalimide, and that phthalimide we can react with alcoholic KOH and we'll get what? Potassium salt of phthalimide. Again that potassium salt of phthalimide we can react with alkyl halides and we'll get the N-alkyl phthalimide, and that N-alkyl phthalimide it undergoes hydrolysis by using the aqueous NaOH, and finally we'll get what? Primary amine. Okay students, let you discuss this reaction. So in this reaction first of all we are using the phthalimide. Do you know the structure of phthalimide? Okay, so very simple structure, benzene ring. Okay, so benzene ring, so this is a benzene ring, then C double bond O. So again C double bond O, and here we can write NH. Okay, so this is what? Phthalimide. What is the name of this compound? So this is the phthalimide. All of you clear students? So phthalimide, benzene ring, C double bond O, NH, again C double bond O. So this is a phthalimide, and now this phthalimide we can react with alcoholic KOH. We can treat it with KOH. So this KOH we can dissolve in ethanol. Okay, we can see the ethanolic KOH. So we can write here alcoholic KOH. Okay, so when we can react with alcoholic KOH, so very simple students. So what happened here? So from this phthalimide, now this hydrogen is removed and this potassium will be substituted here. Okay, very simple. And this removed hydrogen and this OH, so H2 will remove. So we'll see how we'll get the potassium salt of phthalimide. So this benzene ring as it is, nothing will change here. Okay, and then this C double bond O as it is, C double bond O group. Again now this C double bond O as it is, even this nitrogen also as it is. Okay, so only now this hydrogen is removed and here we can substitute the K, is potassium. Okay, and what remove here? So this hydrogen and this OH, simply we can write here minus H2O, water molecule will remove. Okay, because we are using the alcoholic KOH. So this is what? Potassium salt of phthalimide. We can write here, this is your potassium salt of phthalimide. Okay students, so this is your potassium salt of phthalimide. Okay, again, so this potassium salt of phthalimide we can react with alkyl halides. We can take RX. Okay, RX means alkyl halides. So now when we can treat it with alkyl halides, now what happened? So very simple. Now this potassium is removed and on the plus of potassium this alkyl group will be substituted. Okay, and simply this K and this X and this K means minus KX. Potassium halide is removed. Potassium halides. Okay, so very simple. Just see here what is the product we'll get. So this benzene ring as it is, nothing will change. Okay students, so now this C double bond O as it is, so even this C double bond O as it is. Okay, this nitrogen also as it is. So what is the change? Now this K means potassium we can remove, and on the place of potassium we can substitute this R means alkyl group. Any alkyl group we can take. So here we can substitute the R. Get it? So very simple. And what is the name? This is what? N-alkyl phthalimide. So this is a N-alkyl phthalimide. Okay students, so we'll get here N-alkyl phthalimide. So this is your third step. Okay, so again this N-alkyl phthalimide it undergoes hydrolysis. So you don't know hydrolysis means we can add the water molecule. So but here we can treat it with the aqueous NaOH. So here we'll take the two molecules of NaOH, 2 NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, this is in aqueous medium, means we can prepare this NaOH in by using the water. So we can see the NaOH, aqueous NaOH. So now what happens students? So when we can treat it with aqueous NaOH, that means it undergoes hydrolysis. So what is the step? Hydrolysis. This is the last step. Hydrolysis means we can add the water. So obviously we can add water in NaOH. Okay, simply when we can hydrolyze this, so the bond is breaking here and here, 2-time bond is break, very simple. Okay, so from here bond is break and from here bond is break. So this R and N will separate, and from this NaOH, how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. So these 2 hydrogen will join to this N, it can convert into the NH2, and this ONA, how many times? ONA, it also 2 times. See what is the structure here. Okay students, so this benzene ring I will write as it is. So this benzene as it is. Now this C double bond O and this C double bond O as it is. So already here bond is breaking, means this Rn will remove. Okay, simply, and this ONA will join here, O and A, and here also because ON is 2 time, you can write here ONA. And what is the product? The product is R. So this R and this nitrogen having 2 hydrogens. So this from this NaOH 2 hydrogen will join to this nitrogen, and simply will get what? R NH2. And what is the name? This is your primary amine. This is your primary amines. Now clear students? So by using this phthalimide, we have to prepare the primary amine. RNH2 is what? Primary amine. Okay. So if you take the methyl group here, instead of this R, if you using the CH3, okay, methyl chloride if you take, see what is the product we'll get? CH3. And instead of this Cl, X, we can take here Cl or any halogens. So suppose if you take the methyl chloride, simply what we'll get now? So instead of R, you can consider here CH3 group. Okay, after breaking, what we'll get? CH3 NH2 means methyl amine. Okay, that is also primary amine. Now clear students? So this is very simple reaction, and this is very important naming reaction for NEET, JEE as well as CET. Now clear everybody? So once again I repeat the method. So first of all, what will taken? We can take the phthalimide structure, benzene ring, C double bond O, NH, C double bond O. This is your phthalimide. You remember the structure, phthalimide. Now this phthalimide reacts with alcoholic KOH. So now what happened here? So from this phthalimide, hydrogen is removed, and this potassium will be substituted here. This hydrogen and this OH minus H2. Water will remove, and this potassium will substituted here. So what we can say, it is a potassium salt of phthalimide. So in next step, that means in second step, alkyl halide, we can react with this potassium salt of phthalimide. Okay, now again what happened? So now this K will remove, and on the place of potassium, so this alkyl means R will substituted, and we'll get what? N-alkyl phthalimide. Okay students? So in second step we'll get what? N-alkyl phthalimide. In third step, it undergoes hydrolysis by using the NaOH. We can take on the 2 molecules NaOH. So what happened? So the bond is breaking here and here, 2-time bond is break. Okay, after breaking the bond, so from this 2 NaOH, 2 hydrogen join to this nitrogen, we'll simply get RNH2. Okay, we'll get here primary amine, and this is the this compound will get now this ONA will join to this C double bond O. Okay, so ONA and ONA. Okay, so main product is what? We'll get a primary amine. So you remember, by using the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, we have to prepare the primary amine, not a secondary and tertiary. So this is important for CET, NEET and JEE. Okay students, I hope everybody understand, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please press the bell button. You get a daily updates regarding such an amazing video. Okay students, so in next class we'll discuss the another important naming reaction. So you just take a screenshot and note down the notes. Take a screenshot.